I have hacked the Hoosier Moodler's channel.
Okay, here's the real secret they don't tell you about Moodle. You do the assignment once, and when you finish, Moodle's like, "Want to review your attempt?" And you better believe I smash that button. Because when you review, it straight up shows you what you got wrong. Sometimes even the correct answers, bold and shining, like they were blessed by the grammar gods themselves. And here's the sneaky part. While you're doing your brand new attempt, you can have that old one open in another tab. So you're basically flipping back and forth, copy-pasting your way to genius. Sentence type 1 benchmark? Yeah, Moodle literally hands you the keys to the kingdom. First attempt, I'm sweating bullets. Second attempt, I'm calm, sipping juice, and casually writing the right answers like I'm Aristotle reincarnated. So technically, I did do the work the first time, but the second time, that's just me following the sacred Moodle ritual. Attempt, review, repeat, perfect score. Boom! Education complete.